Hey guys, sorry I got cut off on this last one, so we'll just do it together. It's the last one. So same thing here, y-intercept. Okay, so for the y-intercept x-intercept, we set y equals 0. So you're gonna have 2x minus 5 times y is 0. So just plus 10 equals 0. So now we're gonna move this 10 over to this side. So you're going to have 2x equals negative 10. And then to solve for x, you have to divide by 2. You do it on one side, you do it to the other side. 2 divided by 2 is 1x. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. So x is negative 5, y is 0. So x is negative 5, y is 0. Right there, put your dot. The next one. We have the y-intercept, so x is 0. So 2 times 0 is 0. So now we just have negative 5 plus 10 equals 0. So I'm going to bring this 10 over to this side. So you're going to have negative 5y equals, that positive 10 turns to a negative 10. Divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. So negative 5 and negative 5 gives us positive 1. So we have positive 1y. And negative 10 divided by negative 5 gives us positive 2. So when x is 0, y is positive 2. So x is 0, y is positive 2 right here. So you're going to use your ruler and draw the lines. And this is line B. And that's it for today. All right, message me if you have any questions, guys. And remember, pause and rewatch as many times as you need.